What is up, guys? I am back from a video, and today I'm going to the Flea Market Dunk Low Platinum. This sneaker is dropping on November 18th, 2020, and the estimated retail price is about 120. They're like the rumored retail. It's not set in stone yet, but I can't imagine it be more than 150 or below 120. So just look out for that. Maybe a little bit more than expecting, plus tax and shipping. So I would. If you do get a chance to cop for retail, I would think you might be spending between like 140 and like 160, 170 on this. But the resale is absolutely insane. I put down 500 here, but that's like the bare minimum for any size. So if you get the sneaker for whatever price, even if it's $200, you're still gonna make a ton of money off the resale. And I'll go over to StockX later, and I will show you guys the highest bids. But let's move on here. So now this sneaker is exclusively dropping on cactusplantfleamarket.com. Since it's the only website, I can't imagine the stock is too high. I mean, I can't imagine the stock's too high anyways because of the design of the shoe. So it's going to be very, very hard to get, hence why the resale price is so high. Personally, this is not my style. This is way out of my comfort zone and in terms of style, but some people can definitely rock it and pull it off for sure. Now, when it comes to risk of buying the sneaker true resale, there's absolutely no risk. I would go ahead and scoop it up if you can. It's gonna be very hard to get if you're going manual. I would kind of just forget about it. There's some other releases happening that day as well, so I'd focus your attention on those other ones like the Jordan 1 mid that's coming out on the 18th as well. The best size, go for a 9 through 12, but wouldn't even worry about that. If you can get any size, I would go ahead and pick it up because any size is going to do well over $500 in the resale market. So I wouldn't quite worry about the sizes. And if you are going to go manual, I would go outside that size range, but just to increase your chances of getting a pair, making a little less profit, but then again, every size is profitable, so I wouldn't worry about that at all. So let's move on here. Now here are the StockX bids. Now you can see here, like the lowest bid's like $700. And that like these are pre-sale prices. I do imagine that these are going to drop, just a little bit. Like I said, 9 through 12. I see those being between $800 and $900. They're kind of right there now, but I think they're going to drop just a little bit because these are pre-sale prices. And then for of the sizes outside of that, I would say $700 is about correct estimate of where it's going to be. In terms of sell or hold, I have no idea what the sneaker is going to do. It's just kind of an oddball item. So maybe I can see the market after. If you guys do cop some pairs, want me to make a sell or hold video, please let me know because I'll definitely get that out for you guys in no time. Now, where to sell this sneaker? I'd recommend eBay, local meetups, Grail, StockX, then Goat. eBay because they have the 0% seller's fee over if you sell a sneaker over $100, and also if the sneaker is over $200, that they will authenticate it for free and then send it to the buyer. So the buyer is more comfortable buying the sneaker off from you from eBay because they know they're going to get an authentic pair in the condition that it was listed. Also, local meetups is another great option. You can build connections that way as well. Oh yeah, eBay is a great way of building connections as well because you have contact with the person you're selling to. Local meetup. You can probably get cash for it if you want. Cash is king, so I'll go ahead and do that. Grail is another way to sell and kind of like connect with the person. You can talk with them and build relationships and build connections for further sales. And then StockX, of course, StockX is always a safe way to sell, but they do take a 12% seller's fee, which is pretty steep. I think Grail's only 9%, and then eBay, I think and then Go is like 12.6%. So if you don't want to have any cuts, eBay and local meetups is the best way to go, but sometimes it'd be harder to sell on those sites. With StockX and Go, it's pretty easy to sell your product on there, hence why the cuts are so high. So that's really all I got for you guys in this video. If you guys like, subscribe, then much appreciated. And for my subscribers out there that watch my videos, let me know about the new format. I try to make it more professional, and you can visualize it more what I'm saying. And I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.